Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you're new here, I would love it if you would click that subscribe button, and if you already have, welcome back. So today I am sharing my brand new Blush Crush Boss backpack from Itzy Ritzy. If you've been here for a while, you know that this is one of my absolute favorite bags for 3 kids, especially when you want to carry everything under the sun. So let's just get right into it. I should probably say that I usually would carry a bottle for myself, most likely a Yeti. I actually have it right there. It does fit in here perfectly and it slides right out. I just don't have it in there right now because I'm at home, but let's just go right into what's inside of this bag. First, let's see this beautiful tassel because it is blush with pink and it's beautiful. Okay, in this front pocket, these are quilted and it's so pretty. This is where I have my iPhone. This is a 10S. I also have a pen gen from the Sensible Mama and a Sharpie. I carry a Sharpie just in case I actually end up pumping and need to write down the date. And I don't have a pump with me in this bag, but I carry it every time I go out in a little fuel cell. But anyway, in the other pocket, I have my wallet, and this is a coin purse by NCO. And I have my earbuds. In this front slip pocket, this is really big and I love it because I can toss things in as the day goes on. But what I like to carry in there, and look how beautiful this looks together. This is a burp cloth from Copper Pearl in the bloom print, and it's just a match made in heaven. And I also have these wet ones in there because it's really nice to have these accessible. On this side pocket, this is insulated and I love this pocket. I have a little helper here, but in this pocket, I actually really like adding some yogurts and string cheese because this is an insulated pocket, and I could also add some applesauce in here if I wanted to keep them cool. Attached to this little ring right here, I have the shoulder straps attached because I just like the way that they look on there. And I have a pink star from Jujube with a Munchkin diaper bag dispenser and a hand sanitizer by Bath & Body Works. The backpack straps are actually quilted too, and they're just so pretty. I actually really love the kind of webbing material. It's so pretty and shiny. But in this back pocket, I carry the change pad because I do have a 5-month-old, and you know, she's still small, so I need these. It is a nice size and it's so pretty. I love these change pads because they are super wipeable and they are so cute. And in this top pocket is where I have my sunglasses because it's really nice and soft and I can grab them and they're not in the way ever. This is also a perfect spot for my camera if I ever take it with me. If you've never seen this bag before, it does have a rubberized bottom, which is really great because it prevents your bag from getting all dirty. And if it is the first time here, you should know that I have 2 almost 3-year-olds and a 5-month-old baby. My daughter is completely potty trained, no accidents and no diapers, but my son is right at the beginning stages, so I do carry some diapers for him just in case. So opening this bag right up, I am using this Toki print because it's just so pretty I can't say goodbye to it. If you're looking for a print that goes a lot better than this, you probably want to look into Sakura Swirl or any of the rose colored ones by Jujube. However, I just love this print so much that I just could not change out of it. I have a Be Quick. This holds a spare outfit for my son and also one for my daughter, and a foldable potty seat. Kind of rolled up to the side, I have my nursing cover. This is also by Copper Pearl in that same bloom print, and it's really soft and I love it because it covers me completely. I also have some by Itzy Ritzy, but I just don't know where they are right now. There are 2 little mesh pockets at the top. I have a keychain that I got in a package, and I have a draft to go pen. This other side also has a pocket, but it's empty, and there is a little clasp right here for your keys. I just never carry my keys, so they're not in there. And in the back separate pocket, I have a travel-on pouch with my kids' immunization records and some important documents. And I also have a nail file. At the bottom of the bag, I have a small deodorant and a wet bag. When I filmed this part, there was a really loud car passing by, so underneath the wet bag, there were 2 size 6 diapers. In the side pocket that actually closes with a magnet, I have a small set piece, and this has my Mophie charger, spare earbuds, and a charging cord. I don't have anything in this other pocket, but that's really great to have another bottle. In the back pockets, I have a large set piece, and this has all of my daughter's diaper things. It has a spare onesie. This is a 6 to 9 month. It has a, what's this called? A wipe pouch with wipes, a hand sanitizer, and 3 diapers in a size 3. And in this other pocket, I have a medium set piece, and this has dry snacks for my kids and a couple of toys, fig bars, applesauces, cars, and some trolls. Okay, and turning the bag around, I kind of laid it down so you can see a little bit better. There are 2 mesh pockets in the front. In this top one, I have a bow for my daughter. This is one by Baby Bling. A hair tie and a mirror. Another hair tie and my favorite lipstick. And my little flashlight. In the bottom mesh pocket, I have a pad and a foldable brush. So that's everything that was inside of my beautiful Blush Crush. And I did have extra room for maybe a wrap or a blanket or anything else I could need because there was a lot of room on top and it was still not super heavy on my back. So that's it for this packing video. I hope that you enjoyed this or found it useful, and if you did, I would love if you considered clicking that subscribe button and sticking with me. I know that I have not been super consistent, but I apologize. Now with 3 kids, it's just harder. And if you liked this or enjoyed it, please show me with a big thumbs up. I so appreciate it. And if you are already a subscriber, I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.